Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change your video background on a Capcut application. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your project, and after that you just need to click the clip until it's in active mode, and after that you need to slide this features on the left side until you found an options of remove background. And when you found it, you just need to go click it, and now you just need to choose the auto removal and wait until the Capcut doing the process for you. So the process will be depends on the length of your video. The longer the video, the longer the process it be. So almost there. And it's already 100%, and here is the result. We already got the background removed, and for the next thing that we need to do is just go click this checklist button. We need to adjusting the lines to the video, and after that, to add the new background, you just need to slide this side into the left side until you find the background right here. Just go click it, and you can choose either you want to replace it with another color or image. If you want to do with the color, just go click it, and you can just add the new color that you want to add. So that's the way how to change the video background on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.